Today, everyone knows that what is atom, but it was very difficult to understand before the 5th century BCE. Let's learn what is atom. Atom is the basic unit of matter that retains all the chemical properties of an element. When atoms are combined, they form molecules, which then interact with each other forming solids, gases, or liquids. For example, hydrogen and oxygen atoms interact with each other and combine chemically to produce molecules of water. Do you know how the atom word has come? Actually, the word atom is derived from the Greek term for inseparable or indivisible, because at that time, it was believed that the atoms were the smallest elements in the universe that could not be split up further. Matter is made of inseparable building blocks. This concept was first noted as early on as the 5th century BCE by the philosophers Democritus. The Greeks named these elements atomos, which means inseparable, and the current word atom. It was the first idea, however, the people of that time mostly ignored his idea. Democritus suggested that various forms and combinations of these elements were accountable for the different arrangements of matter. However, John Dalton, the English meteorologist and chemist, is acknowledged with the development of the first modern atomic theory. He noticed that atoms always combined as whole numbers to form molecules and compounds, and not as a fraction or a decimal number. He named this observation the atomic theory. After a few years in 1897, J.J. Thomson was the first scientist who discovers a subatomic particle, the corpuscle, which was later named the electron. In 1911, Ernest Rutherford developed the nuclear model of the atom. In this model, he explained that the majority of the atom's mass is concentrated at the center of the atom, holding positive charge, while the electrons float around it in well-defined circular orbits. He called the positively charged center nucleus. Just 2 years later, in 1913, this drawback of Rutherford's atomic model was enlightened by Niels Bohr. Learn more about atomic history. Check out our next video.
If you watching this video, don't forget to share your comment and help us to spread globally. Let's grow up, never stop your learning.